Good morning, everyone. I'm making a bento for my daughter today, and I'm gonna make Yaki Udon, which is the stir-fried noodles. So this is the udon. This is made with wheat flour, salt, and water. First, I add light sesame oil, which is goma abura. Goma abura will add nice smell of sesame to udon. Also help udon to be separated each other easily. And I'm going to add light soy sauce, which is usukuchi shoyu. Adding soy sauce will create smell of like roasted soy sauce when I stir fry, which I like. This is white onion, which is tamanegi. I just slice them. And this is carrot. You can add whatever vegetables you have, but for typical yaki udon, we add cabbage and onion and carrot. I'm adding like yellow and red paprika and also this green pepper just to make the dish colorful. And this is a green cabbage. We call it kyabetsu. So this is the vegetables I'm going to add to yaki udon. I'm going to use sliced pork loin, buta rosu no usugiri. Typically, we use pork for yaki udon. Of course, some people use beef. You can use chicken if you don't have a pork. But typical meat that we use for this dish is a pork. Add salt and pepper. First, I'm going to stir fry the udon. I'm going to put some color to it. Because I added soy sauce, it will burn and create smell of roasted soy sauce. This is very nice smell. Then I'm going to cook the meat. I'm not adding any oil because the pork has a lot of fat, so it should be enough. Udon and the meat is done. Now I'm going to stir fry the vegetables. And I add lots of vegetables when I make like fried noodles or fried rice because my kids love this dish and they eat a lot of vegetables with noodles and fried rice without complaining. I'm gonna add a chicken stock powder, which is additive free. And I add some salt. The chicken stock powder that I use has no salt. And I'm gonna add noodles and the pork that I cooked beforehand and mix it well. And add some rice wine, which is nihonshu or sake. Sake will add some sweetness and also some umami. This is condensed dark dashi, which is mentsuyu. Mentsuyu is made from dry kombu, kelp, and also bonito flakes, dark soy sauce, and so on. So this is done. So yaki udon is made with udon, but we have another fried noodles dish called yakisoba, which I've made a video before and I uploaded. So if you have a time, please check. Yakisoba's noodles are steamed. The udon is boiled, and yakisoba use different sauce from Yaki Udon. So this is the only dish that I'm going to put into bento box today, but it has a lot of vegetables, meat, so it should be okay. So this is done. Looks good. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoy it. The udon noodles, maybe this is something that you don't have access in your country, but I'm sure that you have other types of noodles. Maybe you can try with that. Okay? Thank you very much. Bye bye.